Hi, welcome to this quick demo of this bash script that I created for updating the tested version of WordPress for plugins in batches. So if you're a plugin author, you have several plugins and a new version comes out and you know that you've tested that the plugins work and you don't want to do like a version release for that. Then I have these two plugins here that I'm going to be updating now, as WordPress 5.4 was released just a few days ago. So essentially I'm going to be following the instructions here. It requires some additional software. So the subversion client has to be installed, bash, and then set and grep and awk, or however you pronounce that. That's for handling all the magic in there. So it's essentially this one file, mark.sa shell, where it's gonna look at the plugins, a list of plugin slugs, and the version that you want to ping it to. Then it's gonna do a checkout of that plugin source, and then it's gonna detect the stable tag, and if it's in the trunk, then it's like only gonna update the tagged version, I believe, or the other way around. Anyway, and then it's gonna do the actual change using the set utility, and then it's gonna show the diff so that you can confirm that it looks all right, and then if you confirm it, it's gonna actually do the SVN commit right away. So have a look. Let's look at how it works. So I'm gonna clone this here. So I'm gonna take it from here, git clone this one here, then batch mark as tested. And then it said this one here. So it's going to be this, and then I have to specify the plugin slugs, comma separated. So I'm going to actually use this one here as well. It's 5.4. This is another plugin of mine. It works just fine. It doesn't use Gutenberg, so there's no potential of breaking things. And there is this contact form 7 extras, which is like a WYSIWYG for a lot of the controls that are available. And let's just verify that the latest version is 5.4. So if we go here, it says yes, 5.4.0, but we're going to set it at 4 because then it's all the minor versions are going to be considered as tested with as well. So that should be it. Yeah, then it's going to check out the specific plugin. You see it is showing the diff here, so previously it was at 5.3, now it's changing to 5.4. Is that alright? And you can see it's also changing at the trunk as opposed to the tag release. So yes, commit it, and then I have to unlock my keychain actually to do the password, which is stored there, or you would be prompted to enter it here. So now it's going to check out the next plugin, which is the widget context. You see again here, yes, that looks right. And it's going to request that, and this time I'm going to click on allow. And yeah, it's committing that change straight to the tag release. So you see there, so it's updating the latest release or the stable release as indicated by the README file, so that it does actually show up. Okay, and then the final one, yes, tested up to 5.4. Cool. Click on yes, transmitting the data. Okay, version committed. Okay, so this is it. You've updated your 3 plugins in a whatever, like 2 minutes or something. So this is why I built it for myself. I hope you find it useful. If you find any issues, you want to improve it, feel free to open a pull request or send me a message on Twitter or email as well. Thanks for watching.